Sri Lanka, the pearl of the Indian Ocean. It is an island rich in mineral resources. Mining mineral, which brings a large amount of foreign exchange to the country, takes place in many parts of the island. Those minerals are used for local constructions in addition to export into foreign countries. All the operations of legal mining are monitored and supervised by the Geological Survey and Mines Bureau. But the unauthorized miners have made this process difficult to the officials. This illegal mining and transportation have caused a number of problems, including increase in environmental damage, the rapid closure of mineral deposits, decline in government revenues due to the loss of royalty, environmentalists being frequently accusing GSMB and the government. It is obvious that there are many reasons to increase illegal mining, such as the delay in the issuing of transport licenses, lack of transparency, complexity of the process that applicants has to follow. MM-Pro is a solution proposed by the Geological Survey and Mines Bureau in collaboration with Sri Lanka Telecom to solve these problems. This fully digitized solution includes the ability to access using a smartphone application, a web portal, or SMS service. Additionally, an optional printed copies can be taken using a portal Bluetooth printer or standard printer. In addition, the mobile app is designed to be usable even in the absence of data and telephone connections. Operations during the absence of telephone connection are automatically updated to the central system once the connection is restored. Through this, the Geological Survey and Mines Bureau aims to serve mining license holders, hardware and other mineral trading license holders, the general public, environmentalists, the police officers, the construction industry, other governmental and non-governmental organizations, and officials and administration of the GSMB. Mining license holders can obtain all information about their license and update their daily mining and transportation details in addition to viewing their operational history. The general public and the police can simply check the validity of the mineral load by simply giving the vehicle number. However, only the police can obtain a detailed report of the transport safeguarding the mineral transporter. Also, if the mineral is illegal, anyone can report to the Geological Survey and Mines Bureau directly through the application. The core functionalities of the application are facilitated through SMS for all the parties mentioned above. Let's play our role in protecting the Mother Nature.